Hello, I'm Manisha from Ananda Permaculture Farm, and today I'm going to share with you how to make Jeev Amrit. Jeev Amrit is a liquid fertilizer made out of cow urine and cow dung. Many of you have asked me what is the recipe to make this. Now let me clarify, this is not my recipe. This recipe was made by Sri Subhash Palekar ji, who is the father and founder of Zero Budget Natural Farming. In his experiments with agriculture, he realized that one large input cost was cow manure, and in 1 acre of land, farmers had to put 3 to 4 trolleys of cow manure to build fertility of the land. He wondered how to reduce this input cost, and that's how he came up with this concept of Jeev Amrit. Jeev Amrit is a Hindi term which means Jeev for living organisms and Amrit, which is like God's nectar. To make Jeev Amrit, you need to have a drum. We've taken a 200-liter drum here. We need 10 kgs of cow manure and 10 liters of cow urine. Now to feed the organisms in this microbial culture, we will be adding 2 kgs of jaggery, 2 kgs of chickpea flour and 2 kgs of good soil to increase the diversity of the bacterial species in this microbial culture. Finally, we add 190 liters of water to top it up to a 200-liter concoction. All this while, we keep stirring it so that all the ingredients get mixed up quite nicely. Once that's done, just cover the drum with a wet sack and leave it covered for 48 hours. Every morning and evening during this period, do open it to check on it and to stir it up once again. You will see that within 48 hours, the whole solution gets fermented. The bacteria in the solution grows by leaps and bounds because it has so much food to eat in terms of both jaggery and chickpea flour. And now within 48 hours you have a broth which is just rich with microorganisms. Now these microorganisms can be put in 1 acre of land. So that's a lot of area you can cover by diluting this with water 10 times and also including it in your irrigation pipes. If it is raining during that time, nothing like it, because the rainwater will carry this deep into the soil. So that's really how you make Jeev Amrit. It's very easy to make. If you have a farm and you have some cattle of your own, you can easily get the 2 key ingredients of cow urine and cow manure. But if you live in the city, you can probably find some cow manure in the neighborhood, maybe even on the street in India, and you can ask your milkman to give you some cow urine. So that's how Jeev Amrit is made. I've also put the details of this mix in the descriptions of this video so that you can refer to it there as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. Bye-bye.